Falls Creek, Pennsylvania has an actual waterway named Falls Creek, but most people associate the name with a nearby waterfall. I did a prior video on this, and here's the same waterfall in the wintertime. In the wintertime, if you get a good steady water flow, it can create an incredible ice curtain that freezes solid and looks amazing. You can walk behind this ice wall under the rock ledges of the nearby waterfall and listen to the water as it trickles down the ice. It's been hit or miss over the past several years, though, because barely a trickle during the summer, and we've had a very dry summer this year, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like come wintertime. But at the very least, I can share these past wintertime photos with you. And at the very beginning of the video was Simba. Simba was a constant companion of mine who has hiked to those falls many a times over the years, and rest in peace, Simba. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please give a like and subscribe and stay tuned.